Mirzapur, lying between two major cities, Varanasi and Allahabad, holds a vast stretch of land dedicated to the future leaders of the nation. With its establishment dating back to 19th April 1999, Seth Dwarka Prasad Bajaj Education Centre has been shaping minds from the last 19 years. Being affiliated to CISCE, New Delhi, it shines bright with its motto, "Every student counts," which has delivered myriads of sharp minds to the country and the world. The school had its roots laid out by Mr. Pradeep Kumar Bajaj in 1996, who dedicated it to his deceased father. Due to their fervour in the field of education, they strive to sustain their identity as having a judicious blend of academics along with extra and co-curricular activities. The Education Centre is always designing techniques to give national as well as international exposure to their students. With an assembly ground built to hold up strength of about 1,000 students, the school assembly is a day started through prayers, news and a band. The school ensures yoga becomes a routine of their students by organizing sessions after the assembly. They have an outstanding infrastructure and technology where the children learn through smart digital classes. Possessing a maintained sports arena, the school excels in cricket, basketball, table tennis and others. To inculcate proper unity and discipline amongst its students, the school organizes NCC camps, and the training is provided to shape out a disciplined human being. Keeping up to the latest trends and technology, the Education Centre has well-maintained chemistry, physics, biology, computer labs. They are designed to give an all-round exposure to their students. The security of the students is never at stake, with all-round CCTV camera monitoring and human guarding. The students are surrounded by a range of books, both fiction and non-fiction. The library at Seth Dwarka has books from all the leading writers and publishers. As a well-known phrase goes, all study and no fun makes Jack a dull boy. Adopting the same, the school is driven to deliver quality training in music and dance, with specialized teachers in the field. They are also encouraged to learn art and craft at school. Making a future leader out of its students is what Seth Dwarka believes in. For the same, students are divided into 4 houses: Ganga, Kaveri, Brahmaputra and Narmada. Houses have students selected on a random basis. They are made in charges, presidents and other similar posts under their houses to ensure leadership qualities are transferred in the students. To develop practical learning skills, field trips, mock interviews, hands-on activity, that is, learning through doing practical, realistic tasks, are always the prime concern of the school. The school stands out amongst its competitors for its parent-teacher interaction. Teachers make it their priority that they interact with the parents of the concerned student whenever required. They even pay home visits, which is their unique quality. The school satiates the parents, guaranteeing the full-fledged growth of their children. The school has bagged several awards at national and state level, one being received from His Excellency Shri Ram Naik Ji, Governor of UP, for their meritorious performance in the field of education. The school managed to be in the top 20 entries in All India Social Project-based competition designed for change. Keeping a belief to bring an education revolution in Mirzapur, Seth Dwarka Prasad Group came out with Seth Dwarka Prasad Bajaj Kindergarten Wing in the year 2005, which enrolls kids from Montessori to class 2nd. The foundation stone of any child starts at this age, which is properly taken care of by the wing. Working on language development and storytelling, thus imbibing the art of recitation, dictation, grammar, vocabulary, idioms and phrases in the children. The setup is fully under CCTV surveillance and designed to make it colorful and creative for the kids. The school has informative wall graffiti to enhance learning with fun. In the year 2018, they came up with the Seth Dwarka Prasad Bajaj Academy for Kids, taking admission in nursery to class 3rd. The children here are exposed to art and craft, maths and science concepts. Special days are celebrated by showcasing different student projects. Kids in Montessori and nursery are subjected to real-life activities like rolling, squeezing, liquid pouring, solid pouring in order to develop their gripping power. The school had its floor marked with some prominent people like Mr. R.K. Agarwal, Miss Geeta Kapoor, choreographer, Miss Jayanti Kumaresh, renowned Veena player, and many more. Although schools are said to be the second homes of children, the formal education starts here. A great leader erupts right in the school. Every child has its unique story. And at Seth Dwarka Prasad Bajaj, each story is shaped and paid attention to.